channel. So I know we're in a little bit different of a setting today, but today I'm gonna do a closet room tour with you guys. We recently just got done remodeling our master closet. It is not a huge, extravagant Jaclyn Hill kind of production and show and closet. That is not it. I have a typical basic ass closet, basically. So I was always just so frustrated because we have so much stuff. I shop literally like on a weekly basis. My husband shops a lot. He's also a hoarder. It's a pain in my ass. So the closet was just so cluttered and it's already small, so it was just a hot mess. So I thought for the new year, I want a freaking new closet. I want it to be clean, sleek, organized. It's literally so organized that it turns me on. I know I sound crazy, but it honestly just really turns me on how organized it is. Every time I look in there, I'm just like, ah, like it's just amazing. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite pieces, how I organize my closet, some of my favorite stuff, accessories, all that kind of jazz. I love personally watching closet tours. I am a shopaholic. I am a fashion girl. I just love all things fashion. So closet tours to me are just everything. So if they are not everything to you guys, just go ahead and exit out of this video. But if they are, just keep on watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media, especially Instagram. And I apologize for the little girl hair. I just got lazy. I have no excuse. I was gonna wash my hair before the video, and then I was like, you know what, screw it, I'm gonna wear my wig. And then I was like, you know what, screw it. I am just so damn lazy. It is so cold outside today in Florida. It's like 40 degrees, so I'm just in it, you know what I mean? Like, at least I'm sitting here in front of the camera recording. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this closet tour. Let me know what you guys would be interested in seeing next, and let's just jump straight in to my baby. Okay, so we are currently inside of my closet. Obviously, if I inserted a little like snippet of the whole like overview of the closet, you guys can see that it's not very big, but it is very organized, which is the key and the biggest thing to this entire project. So for those of you who might be wondering, I ended up using Closets by Design. I know a lot of people use California Closets, but I ended up going with Closets by Design. I just feel like I was getting more for my budget, more bang for the buck kind of thing, which is why I ended up going with them. And they honestly had a really good deal, and the lady was so nice. She was so willing to work and willing to give me the most that she could for our price point. So that is why I went with them. So the whole goal of the closet, honestly, my husband was a pain in the ass. He is such a freaking little girl. He was complaining about the drawers. He wants more drawers. He wants this. He wants that. That I feel like in the long run, I kind of got screwed over. I feel like he has way more space than I do, way more drawers than I do. You guys will see, but I am so chill and so low maintenance that it was just whatever. As long as I have my shoes on display and I am organized, everything is up and running and clean and organized looking, then I am good. The only thing I do want to do, you guys will notice as I go through and show you guys, is that I definitely want to get all matching hangers. I do have some velvet hangers already hanging, so I definitely need to place an order to Amazon and get rid of the wire hangers and the plastic ones and go ahead and invest and switch out all the clothes to velvet. I feel like when you have a closet this clean and sleek looking that you need all matching hangers. I know that is so like first world problems and so dumb, but it's just how I feel. So anyways, I will stop rambling and let's just get into this whole area. So as you can see right here, I have, let me zoom you in a little bit. As you can see right here, I have a couple drawers up here. So initially when I was designing this closet, I really wanted to do gold bars to match these jewelry holders. But my friend convinced me to do silver because I do have these same silver all over the house. Even though I feel like I either should have done gold or black, but it is what it is. I mean, it's not a big deal. Maybe one day I'll get rid of these anyways. So initially I wanted to have this drawer right here as my jewelry drawer. But like I said, since my husband was being a baby, he needed all the drawers he wanted. I wasn't able to do enough drawers for me to have jewelry drawers. So I found these at Target and they were on sale. I believe, is this Threshold or Project 62? I want to say it's Threshold. So it's really pretty jewelry holders. They do have the slots, and it also has drawers, so you can totally slide them out. And it has the little compartments. They do get a little bit stuck, like you can see but it is what it is. I have my mirror here, so when I am wanting to change my jewelry or see kind of like if it flows, I would want to use that to do that. And I have two of them because I have a lot of jewelry. Then I have like my watch holder and my bracelet holders, as well as this little ring holder. I will give you guys little zoom in versions of this. So it's holding my wedding ring right here. I kind of just left my wedding ring on there because I wanted to show you guys how cute it is. This was from TJ Maxx, as well as this acrylic bracelet holder. I lost my train of thoughts. So then over here on this side, I have this really pretty glass holder. It's really, I think it's a cake holder, but I use it for perfume for me and my husband's side. They were both mine, but since we split, I just gave him one, so he's a little bit more organized. So I have all my perfumes on here, and then I have little studs from Target Wild Fable. I honestly love their entire line. So by the way, this perfume right here, this YSL Black Opium, smells so freaking good. It's my favorite one, honestly. Okay, now down here, these are my drawers, and this is my husband's side. I'm gonna kind of avoid showing his side because I know you guys probably don't give a shit. But in here, I have a sunglass case holder. I got this sunglass case holder from Amazon. And then right here I have my little Henry Bendel fanny pack. I use this baby for everything, as well as I believe these are from Sephora. It's just like their makeup holders. They're so cute. And then this is where I have all my bras lined up. Yes, my bras always look like this. I didn't just do it for the video. I just feel like it makes it so much easier to just grab it out. Then in here I just have like shorts and swimsuit cover-ups. Now my favorite part of the entire closet is this right here. So our closet is so small that I really was excited to have our dirty clothes hidden and put away. So that's my favorite that's my favorite part about the whole closet. So in my sunglass case holder, you guys will see that it holds up to 8 sunnies. In here right now, they are all key glasses. These are basically the only sunglasses that I wear now. I used to be really into Ray-Bans, but I just feel like I have a pretty big, like, rounded face. And I feel like all the aviators that they had were so little. So a lot of the sunglasses I have in here are from the Desi and Katie collection. My favorite ones, honestly, are the black fades. I'm sure all of you guys know which ones they are. They are just so cute. They are so, like, if you're trying to hide and be incognito, these are the glasses, but you still want to look cute, or even the perfect beach day glasses. Then my other, I have some of her other colors. I have like her Saharas as well. But my other favorite ones are these golds. I think they're rose gold to green to clear fade or something like that. I don't really know, but they're also so cute too. These definitely scream more beach and pool to me in summertime. I love these. But then I also have more winter shades. So these are my all-time favorite above the black fades from her. These are on her on the low 2s. I'm kind of sad that I didn't get to get her on the lows like her originals, because I would love them to be bigger, but these are still so cute as well. I love these very big matte black boxy kind of sunglasses, but then I like the side that it has the gold detailing. They're so cute. I honestly have another pair of glasses in the mail. I totally did Black Friday shopping with them because it was buy one get one, so your girl bought 3 glasses, or 4, sorry, 4. So my new babies, I bought 3 new ones really for myself, and 1 was a gift. These are the Jezebels. They're so cute. They honestly like match this hairstyle so cute, like such a hippie kind of vibe. I honestly thought these were going to be so much smaller than what they are, but they are pretty oversized and they're just so cute. I am living for these. The ones I have in the mail coming right now, I think they're called All Right. They seem like they're going to be really similar to the On the Lows, but a little bit more boxy on the side, so I'm really excited about those. Then these babies right here, I used to have the On the Prow glasses. I had them in the crispy color, which was tortoise, but I gave that to my sister-in-law. Then I had them in the matte black, and those were like my babies. I'm so sad that I lost them. I also had Hindsight, but I lost those as well. I've lost so many, but I honestly leave my car unlocked, so I feel like somebody might have stolen them. But these right here are like a mixture of Hindsight and a mixture of On the Prow. These are called Cafe Racers, and talk about being incognito. I am so obsessed with these. Literally, they're all my favorite. All of them. I can't help it. They're all my favorite. Look how cute these are. Like, these are such, like, don't look at me, don't look at me, I just woke up, I'm hungover, I'm in the airport, don't look at me kind of look, or I'm a boss bitch. I'm a boss bitch. So yeah, those are my sunnies, and this sunglass case, like I said earlier, it's from Amazon and it is so good. I kind of wish it was like double layered because I keep buying sunglasses that I'm gonna need another one. Okay, so now moving on to my clothing side, which is my favorite part besides the hamper. I just feel like that hamper is so freaking cool. Like, nobody sees my dirty clothes. And usually, like, that shit would be piling up. It was, like, overflowing. So I feel like that feature is so cool. Okay, so over here on this side, I have all my long hang. And I have them from going into, like, palazzo pants, into matching sets, into my long dresses. I want to show you guys a dress because I'm so obsessed with it. I am totally saving, where is it? So I picked this up from Fashion Nova. It's like a really pretty jumpsuit. It's a leg jumpsuit and it fits very form-fitting, and then it flares out at the bottom, kind of like a Selena dress kind of style, or her jumpsuit kind of style. I bought this for a birthday party, but it looks so good on that I'm saving it for my 30th birthday, because this is totally like, hey, I'm turning 30, I'm still hot kind of look, you know what I mean? I am so obsessed with this. This was, like I said, from Fashion Nova. As you can tell, it's a little bit see-through, but your skin kind of blends into the jumpsuit, so it's not that bad. Okay, so I went ahead and I moved you guys up. Okay, so up here I have my cute little purses and clutches, as well as my favorite hats. Then I have my travel bags up top. I will insert a little clip so you guys can see it. I have my travel bag up top with my other like Michael Kors and Henry Bendel book bag. So in the center of this closet, I have my boots into my tennis shoes into my loafers. I wanted one side to strictly just be heels and like booties, like dressy kind of heel type booties, and I wanted this side to be more of like my wintry kind of look. I just got these boots in from Boohoo and I'm so obsessed with them. I haven't worn them, so I don't really know like if they're comfortable or not, but just like the style I'm obsessed with, and I'm so excited to wear these. And these seem like very good quality leather. They're just like a basic bootie. I honestly wish I had these in like a snake skin. I've been seeing them everywhere and I'm like freaking out, searching every freaking website, and I'm telling you, every website, and I finally found them on Public Desire. I'm so obsessed with them. They're so cute, but I am so excited about that style. So I have the same ones right here. They're a little bit more western-y looking and a little shorter. I'm not going to go through every boot, obviously, but I did want to show these. So I picked these up from Missguided, and I told you I wanted snakeskin booties. These just weren't what I was thinking in my head they would be. They're a little bit too high, so they're a little bit more hard to style in my opinion. So if you guys have any idea on how to style these, I just feel like they look weird with tight jeans, like skinny jeans, and then I've tried them with loose jeans, but they like hang over this, so it's a little funky. I don't know. So if any of you guys have any ideas on how I could wear these, let me know down below. For you guys, if my videos were edited, you guys would think I'm so psycho when it comes to yelling at my kids. Whew. Anyways, so moving on. Up top, I have it organized. You can't see it back here, but it literally goes all the way back to the wall. I have all my jackets, like denim jackets, camo jackets, any kind of jacket you're thinking of. I have it going into like my hoodie dresses slash hoodie kind of sweatshirt material, then into cardigans, and then into long sleeve button-ups, and then into nice dressy long sleeves. Yes, I am that extra. I would even be that extra to organize my closet by color, but your girl's a mom and she just ran out of time when she was organizing, okay? So we're just gonna move on. Okay, so down here you can't really see because it's like really tucked in and hidden back there. But back here I have basically like my rompers into like my short dresses, into t-shirts, into bodysuits, into just tank tops, and then into crop tops. Yes, I am that extra like I said already, but I just feel like it's so much easier when you're getting ready for everything just to be in its place and organized. So when I'm like, oh, I want to wear a bodysuit today, I know exactly where it is. Or, oh, when I want to wear a crop top, I know exactly where it is. Okay, so now moving on to the very last part of our closet. Don't mind this dresser back there. That was in here prior and we still got to get rid of it. So this is all my heels. This makes me so happy just because it's so organized and so color combinated. I kind of wish that I would have done the nude first, then into the black, but I have so many nudes that I just figured I would do those last. So up here, I obviously have my black department. At the top, we have our booties. I do I have the same ones in black and green. Then into other shoes, I buy a lot of my shoes from either Windsor, Lola Boutique. Go Jane honestly has so many good shoes and so many good deals on the shoes or on their clothing in general. I've never really ordered clothes from Go Jane, but I've definitely ordered like 5 pairs of shoes at one time. Literally. These right here are actually from Go Jane. And they are so cute. They're not uncomfortable at all. I do feel like because it has all these straps, it's a little bit more supportive. What else are from Go Jane? I believe these are from Go Jane as well. I freaking loved caged heels. I just feel like I have so much more support when it's like a caged, but it's still a heel, but it's kind of a booty kind of shoe. I don't know. I feel like ever since I became a mom, it's really hard for me to walk in thin style heels. So I feel like when they're caged like that, it just makes my life so much easier. These right here, I'm from Forever 21. I actually haven't used that. I think these are from Fashion Nova. These are new. I just picked these up from Forever 21 for the holidays. How cute is this sock booty with like this black studded kind of gunmetal detail? I just feel like this with like a midi dress and like a big kind of jacket or trench jacket would be so pretty, or even like a sweater dress. Good thing I live in Florida, right? So I'll never be able to wear them. I believe these are from Windsor, so you guys kind of get the idea of everywhere that I shop. Honestly, I'm not a big spender on shoes. I think the most expensive shoes I've ever bought were the Jimmy Choos, but those were my wedding shoes. They're actually up there, and I've only worn them on my wedding. I swear when I was getting married, I was like, babe, I really want these shoes. I want them to be my wedding shoes. I can wear them on New Year's. I can wear them when we go out. Date night, ask me if I've worn them. I literally haven't worn them. I wore them on my wedding nights. They got destroyed and they're just chilling in a box. I've tried using them before, but I don't know. Since they're my wedding shoes, I kind of just want to keep them in a box and keep them sacred. But for me to spend that much money on shoes to wear one time, like, it's not worth it. I don't wear heels that often, and I'm not about to be bougie AF with like Louis Vuittons that hurt my feet like crazy. And anyways, it's red bottoms, but the bottoms get scratched. Okay, anyways. Basically, I'm bougie in a sense where I like to shop a lot, but I like to shop with discounts. Okay, so moving on to the bottom, it's basically still lace-up shoes, and then at the bottom I have more platform to more thin strapped high heels, and then these pointy shoes right here, which honestly I think Jaclyn Hill made me buy those like 6 years ago, and I've only worn them one time as well, so thank God I didn't spend a lot of money on that, right? Alright guys, so that completes this whole closet tour. I told you guys that it wasn't a big closet at all, but I take so much pride in this closet because even though it wasn't big, it was still very expensive and time consuming, and I just honestly, I'm so happy to be so organized. It just makes my life so much easier, especially being a mom with kids. Like if this was my forever home, I am telling you right now, I would have done my pantry, my laundry room, and all the kids' rooms. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this different type of video. Let me know what you guys think down below. I would honestly love to do a Christmas like house decor video, but I don't know if you guys would be interested in something like that. I'm like wondering like if I should film it right now. No, I'm not. No. We're good for the day with one. Anyways, let me know if you guys would be interested in something like that. I love my house Christmas decor. It is such a winter wonderland. I am not about color. I am always in neutrals, and my house is the exact same way. My cat even matches my house. Yes, it does. Okay. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that. Like I said, I'm not colorful, so it would literally just be neutrals, flock trees, and greenery. So let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Make sure you hit that little button down below before you go. Subscribe to my YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.